Here's Marianne. She's about to go and do the feeding rounds, but look what little mischief critters are getting into the... Oh, there's only one bowl there. Oh, they've found it. There's one food bowl. You're naughty little puppies. There's the rest of the bowls. There's Marianne with the nice food. And they're the little minxes. Naughty, naughty.
Come on. Oi.
Oh, look.
What's this?
Yum, yum. What's Grandma got for you?
Grandma. Get that.
Aren't you Grandma?
Oi.
You're Grandma, aren't you, Marianne?
Yes, I am. Go,
Puppers! That one's just too good. Can't you get? Ah, that solved it. Took the bowl out.
Come on,
Where are you?
No, they don't want it. They know where the bowl is. I'll get him. Yeah, look.
Now we... Oh.
Almost.
Now you've found it. Oh, and you've knocked your bowl of dried food everywhere, you naughty little swappers. Look at you.